Most people get travel booking platforms wrong by assuming all flight search engines are equal, but Skyscanner offers a mix of features that can save you both time and money. Today, they'll give you an honest review based on real usage experience. Skyscanner is a flight, hotel, and car rental search platform. What sets it apart is its comprehensive search engine, which compares prices across hundreds of airlines and booking sites. For example, I used Skyscanner to book a last-minute flight and found a $120 cheaper option than on the airline's website. Most people get this wrong by checking only one site. They may miss the best deal. The platform also has flexible search tools. You can search cheapest month or everywhere if your travel dates or destination are flexible. This is perfect for travelers looking for the best value or exploring new destinations. Skyscanner is easy to use with a clear interface and mobile app. Once you find a flight, it redirects you to the booking site to complete the purchase. However, it's important to check fees on the third-party site, as some add service charges. Most people get this wrong by assuming the price shown on Skyscanner is final. It's a search tool, not the payment processor. In conclusion, Skyscanner is an excellent tool for finding competitive travel deals and exploring options. Most people get this wrong by relying on one website or airline. They may overpay. Using Skyscanner effectively can save time and money while providing a flexible, user-friendly booking experience. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews and tips to help you book smarter and cheaper.